be able to get on this one. Nowhere did it stop with something that was in front of me sufficient enough for me to be able to get on. I went around the corner to get some pizza and come back and eat it at my campsite. And what's this? This wasn't here when I left. Oh my goodness. This is about as far as I got before I started running into workers. So I couldn't get on to the train right about here to hide. Yep, here they come. One little grainer, two little grainer, three little grainers. There were too many workers hanging around for me to be able to get on that train. Later on down, there's some more that I could have gone on to, but I couldn't get around to them. hug a Cadillac. Arrgh. That was over 1.5 miles long trade, and I missed it because there were workers and I wanted to get something to eat before I figured out how to get on it. Them blue boxes stunk so much, I'm not really hungry anymore. And that pizza sure is good. Time to pack up and find another place to hide so I can eat my pizza and wait for the next ride. Yep, I think I was too much west, I think. Yep, I should have been further east. That will have to be another adventure for another clip on another day. But thanks for watching. Have a good day.